Thursday, the 21st of March 2019, the tournament's prize fund has swelled by 8% compared with 2018 and 2019. The Roland Garros tournament's prize fund has swelled by 8% compared with 2018, to reach a total of €42,661,000. The president of the French Tennis Federation, Bernard Giudicelli, and the tournament director, Guy Forget, wanted to continue narrowing the gap between the amounts awarded to the tournament winners, women's and men's singles, and to the players who are knocked out in the first round. The players who are beaten in Week 1 of the tournament will see a significant increase in their prize money, over 10%, on average, from the first round to the round of 16. A special effort has been made for the qualifying rounds, whose prize money has risen by an average of nearly 15%. Finally, the amount set aside for this year's wheelchair tennis events, which will include a new quad category, will be boosted to €382,000 FFT.